Hey Gemini, the second half of June, 16th to 30th, is your time to sparkle. Mental fireworks are popping, relationships shift, and both your brain and heart get a cosmic upgrade. Get ready to ride the air currents and land exactly where you belong. Welcome to your Gemini Tarot reading for June 16th to 30th, 2025. We're diving deep into what's going down in your world, thoughts, feelings, connections, and next-level moves. Let's unpack the cards and activate your inner genius. The cards: Page of Swords, upright. Curiosity, insight, smart moves. Ideas are flying in. Pay attention. You're in investigative mode. Stay alert and ready to question everything. Two of Cups, upright. Connection, partnership, harmony. A meaningful emotional shift happens, possibly in a romantic or professional relationship. Expect better communication and deeper connection. Seven of Cups, reversed. Clarity, focus, choices, overwhelm dissolves. You begin choosing only what matters. Less scattered focus, more targeted energy. The Lovers, upright. Alignment, choice, deep bonds. A key decision in a relationship or value zone may arise. Follow your true heart, not the crowd. Wheel of Fortune, upright. Turnaround, fate, big shift. You're at a turning point. Unexpected energy and luck are pushing you onto a new path. Moon, upright. Intuition, hidden truths, subconscious. Your inner world is bubbling. Dreams, fears, subtle signals. Trust them, but double-check before reacting. Eight of Pentacles, upright. Skill, growth, craft. Your hard work pays. Learning and honing your skills now brings long-term rewards. Keep the momentum. Three of Cups, upright. Celebration, friendship, enjoyment. Good times with friends or a positive reunion may emerge. Social life gets a boost. The Fool, upright. Leap, innocence, fresh start. Someone around you or within you says, "Let's go." A new project or relationship may blossom. Trust the jump. Nine of Swords, reversed. Release, relief, less anxiety. Worries are easing. You're shedding mental clutter. Self-care and rest are your friends. King of Cups, upright. Emotional mastery, balance, compassion. You're in a calm, supportive space, emotionally grounded. Great energy for helping and leading. Five of Wands, upright. Challenge, competition, debate. Expect some disagreement or energy clashes. Productive friction, if handled smartly. Ace of Swords, upright. Truth, clarity, breakthrough. A powerful truth is revealed or decision is made. This card cuts through confusion like a sword. Temperance, upright. Balance, harmony. Healing, integration, and healing are here. You're blending parts of yourself for greater whole. Five of Pentacles, reversed. Recovery, support, improvement. If you've felt out in the cold emotionally or financially, relief is on the way. Help shows up. Six of Wands, upright. Victory, recognition, success. Your effort is being acknowledged. Stand tall. You're in the spotlight. General reading. Get ready for a major mind and heart upgrade. With Page of Swords and Ace of Swords, clarity hits hard, especially around communication and decisions. Wheel of Fortune signals a shift in your favor, but Moon reminds you to dig deeper. You're moving out of confusion. Seven of Cups reversed. Nine of Swords reversed. And stepping into growth. Eight of Pentacles, temperance. Three of Cups and Six of Wands bring social joy and recognition. Don't shy away from shining. Expect some hurdles. Five of Wands. But they're opportunities to practice diplomacy. Emotional maturity, King of Cups, keeps you centered, while the Fool encourages brave leaps. Advice: question everything. Insight is coming. Say yes to new beginnings, but carry emotional wisdom. Let go of what no longer serves and celebrate progress. Speak your truth with confidence. Lean on your community. They've got your back. Love and relationships. Two of Cups, Lovers, and King of Cups show love brewing deeper than small talk. Choices matter, but so does emotional depth. If you're single, someone meaningful may appear. For couples, honesty and connection deepen. Advice: speak from the heart, not the mind. Celebrate what feels real. Ditch distraction. Balance independence and connection. Career and finances, Ace of Swords, and Page of Swords bring mental clarity, perfect for making big work decisions or launching projects. Eight of Pentacles and Six of Wands confirm your skills and efforts are getting seen. Five of Pentacles reversed helps if you've stuck in financial worry. Support is incoming. Advice: use logic and empathy in your approach. Stand out. Your dedication is noticed. Accept help if you need it. Recovery is part of growth. Gemini, June 16th to 30th, is your time to think fast, feel big, and grow hard. Trust your intuition, speak your truth boldly, and leap when the path is clear. Your mind and heart are aligned. This is your moment. Thanks for watching. If this hit home, please like, share, and subscribe for more star-powered guidance. Let your twin light shine.